Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to get this app from this developer, Mad Scientist, and when it's ready, click on Open. Now you can mute the music right away by tapping on this icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Now click on Settings, tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up. And if you can't do it like that, rotate your device, go into the same settings and tap on I accept then. Now you can adjust them however you wish to. So sorry, misclick. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on the best option for you. In my case, home screen only. So now when I swipe up and click on Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!